Welcome back to Daily Drives, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of automobiles, concept vehicles, and futuristic engineering. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button so you never miss an update from us. Today, we're diving into something that redefines luxury on wheels, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. The name Bugatti has long been synonymous with hyperspeed, extreme engineering, and opulence. But in 2026, the brand is taking its legendary performance and style into uncharted territory, the luxury motorhome. Imagine all the breathtaking design cues of the Chiron and Lava Tenoir, combined with cutting-edge RV innovation. That's exactly what Bugatti has created. The exterior of the Bugatti Motorhome 2026 is something out of a sci-fi movie. Sleek, aerodynamic, and muscular, this isn't just an RV. It's a rolling piece of art, carbon fiber panels and active. Aerodynamics keep the weight low and stability high, even for a vehicle of this size. At over 40 feet long, it looks like a bullet train designed for luxury travel. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, lies the true Bugatti DNA. It's powered by a quad-turbocharged 1.6 hybrid setup producing around 1,500 horsepower. Yes, a motorhome with more power than most supercars. With an intelligent all-wheel drive system, active suspension, and advanced torque vectoring, this beast can cruise the Autobahn or navigate mountain passes with grace and control. It's estimated to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds. Unheard of for a motorhome. Let's talk interior inside. The Bugatti Motorhome is pure extravagance. The moment you step in, you're greeted by handcrafted interiors with French leather, brushed aluminum, polished carbon fiber, and sustainable hardwood accents. The layout has been designed not just for comfort, but for aesthetic perfection. Ambient lighting flows through the cabin in response to your mood or time of day, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. The living area features a minimalist lounge setup with intelligent seating that adjusts for posture and temperature. An ultra-thin old TV rises from the side wall, connected to a surround sound system tuned by Bugatti's own audio engineers. The kitchen is a tech lover's dream: induction counters, smart appliances, and a voice-activated assistant that remembers your recipes and even orders groceries on the go. But perhaps the most jaw-dropping part of the interior is the retractable glass bedroom. At the touch of a button, the roof above the master suite turns transparent, offering stargazing at night or a panoramic sky view during the day. A custom Italian mattress, climate control, and a spa-inspired ensuite bathroom make this more luxurious than most five-star hotels. And yes, it's loaded with smart features. The 2026 Bugatti Motor Home is fully autonomous when desired thanks to L5-capable driving tech. It can park itself, navigate highways, or follow a preset scenic route, all while you relax in the back. The digital cockpit is clean and futuristic, using augmented reality overlays on the windshield and haptic feedback controls on a floating dashboard. Charging? Not a problem. It comes with solar panel integration on the roof, regenerative braking, and access to Bugatti's exclusive EV supercharging network across Europe and North America. It also includes an integrated drone pad, a first of its kind, allowing you to launch a drone for aerial footage of your journey, or even for security surveillance when parked remotely. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a mobile palace. Bugatti hasn't confirmed the price officially, but rumors suggest it will start north of $5 million, with endless customization options. Only a handful are expected to be produced annually, making this not just a vehicle, but an ultra-rare collectible. With the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, travel becomes not just a necessity or a hobby, it becomes an experience like no other. It's for those who demand the absolute pinnacle of luxury, performance, and technology, even when they're hundreds of miles from the nearest city. So, what do you think? Is this the future of luxury travel, or just a wild concept for the elite? Let us know in the comments below, and tell us where you would take a Bugatti Motor Home if given the chance. That's it for today's episode from Daily Drives. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you stay ahead of the curve. Until next time, keep driving forward.